This is the FSUSD family tutorial for Aeries on how to reset your password. What is Aeries? Aeries is an online portal to see a student's current class schedule, grades, and attendance. It also includes transcripts, tests, and class ranking. Stop. This tutorial is only on how to reset your password. It is not instructions on how to create an account for the first time or create new account. Those instructions are here. Click this link for the FSUSD family tutorial, Aeries for Students. This is a slide that will have the video. So some basic information. Your child has an FSUSD login and password. This will be used for all school online activities. This is used to log into student Gmail and Chromebooks, for example. However, this is not the same as the Aeries login. This S plus student ID number, that is their student Gmail account, and they will need that for logging into Aeries, but the password will be different. So the starting place for all online FSUSD student materials is Clever. So to get to Clever, if you're on your school device, you'll use your FSUSD login. It will take you straight to Clever. Or if you're on your personal device, in the search box, type in FSUSD Clever. It will then take you to Clever, and you can log in with your FSUSD login that we just covered. So once you're in Clever, you're going to click on the Aeries icon. And you're going to get the Aeries login page. So at the very bottom under the red next button, you'll see forgot class password, and that's what you're going to want to click. You will type in your student Gmail address and click next. You will then get this email verification screen. So stop. Do not do anything on this page. Instead, you will go to your student Gmail account. In Gmail, open the email from Do Not Reply from FSUSD. In the body of the email, click the link where it says click here. That link will take you to a new page. Skim down to the bottom and click continue. At this point, you will be given the final step where you can create a new password. To create a password, it must include all of the following: an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, special character. It must have at least 8 digits. You'll enter your password twice and click next. Go back to the Aeries login page that you launched from Clever. You're going to enter your FSUSD email address and click next. On the next screen, you will enter your password and click sign in. And that should get you into Aeries. You should have successfully reset your password. So any questions? If you have any problems with this process, please do not hesitate to email askalibrarian@fsusd.org. We'll have this and other tutorials at fsusd.org. Thank you.